What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about one of the cleanest and most underrated ways to get business funding without ever showing proof of income or revenue. This strategy is called capital stacking, and it is hands down one of the easiest ways to fund your LLC or startup, even if you just form the business and have no tax returns. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you want to learn this in more detail or want to connect it with everything else, we teach like CPN builds, credit sweeps, authorized user trade lines, business structuring, and liquidation strategies. Join the network mentorship on Discord. That's where we break everything down step by step. Now let's get into it. Capital stacking is when you apply for multiple high-limit business credit cards and business lines of credit based on your personal credit profile and how your LLC is structured, not based on how much money your business is making. This is a funding method that works perfectly for brand new LLCs because it does not require you to show any revenue tax filings or bank statements. The reason this works is because lenders are approving your applications based on how your file looks on paper, not how much you are actually making. And since you're applying for business credit, not personal credit, these approvals do not report to your personal credit report, which means you're not hurting your utilization or your personal score. This keeps your personal credit clean while stacking large amounts of business capital. You can get approved for up to $150,000 in combined limits. And a lot of the cards come with 0% interest for the first 12 to 24 months. And even beyond that, if you know how to run balance transfers correctly, we cover all of that inside the mentorship. Now, here's exactly what you need to make capital stacking work. Step 1 is a clean personal credit profile or a properly structured CPN. You want at least a 680 score, but ideally 720 or higher. No recent inquiries, no collections, no late payments, and no high balances. If you're running a CPN, the same applies. You want clean public records, an age file, and a strong mix of accounts. If you don't know how to build that, we teach the full structure inside the network. Mentorship step 2 is setting up your LLC with a real business presence. That means forming the company in your state, getting your EIN number, and opening a business bank account. You also need a business address, not your home address, a business phone number, and a domain-based email address. This builds credibility when lenders review your application and determines whether you look like a real business or not. Again, we show you exactly how to structure all of this properly in the mentorship. Step 3 is applying for high-limit business credit cards and lines of credit that don't require proof of revenue and don't report to your personal credit. You space out your applications to avoid stacking hard inquiries and apply in a sequence that maximizes approvals. We teach the exact application rhythm and lender criteria inside the network, including how to avoid denials and trigger automatic approvals when done right. You'll start receiving approvals for $5,000 to $20,000 per card and start stacking up capital fast once you've received the funding. You can use it for anything working: capital, marketing, inventory, expansion, liquidation, even flipping that money into assets like real estate or other business models. And if you need to turn the credit into cash, we show you how to safely liquidate and rotate the balances without hurting your file. The goal is to access large amounts of funding quickly, protect your personal credit, and deploy that capital into real income producing systems. This is what we mean when we say use credit as leverage, not debt. Capital stacking fits perfectly with everything else we teach inside the network, because once you have the funding, we show you how to multiply it, whether that's flipping phones, vehicles, trade lines, tax deed properties, building high-income service businesses, or setting up your own digital offers. If you're ready to start stacking capital the right way and want to learn how to take this knowledge and combine it with the other strategies we teach, join the mentorship inside the network on Discord. We teach every step in detail from start to finish and show you all the different ways to use credit to create cash flow. This is the network, and I'll catch you in the next one.